fire remembers. Born from ashes no one claimed, carrying every hidden pain, walking roads without a sound, searching where the light is found.
Every heartbeat writes a prayer, floating softly through the air. Broken wings can still rise when the flame reflects the skies.
Close your eyes, hear the calling in the wind. The fire begins, fire burning through the night. Guide our souls into the light. Every scar becomes a star, showing us just who we are. Fire never fades away, even when the skies are gray. Love remains where hope survives. Fire keeps our dreams alive.
Frozen rivers learn to flow, seeds of faith begin to grow. Every shadow leaves a trace, leading hearts to their embrace. Time may steal the words we say, but not the light along the way. Every soul has one desire, to become the endless fire.
Carry me beyond the sea. I believe the fire inside will never leave. Lift us from the dust, teach our hearts again to trust. When the world forgets our names, love will speak through sacred flames. Fire shining endless free, breaking every chain, we're free. Every ending births a dawn, the fire forever carries on.
When darkness falls,
Listen closely. The fire was always